Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show some methods through which you can customize your Windows PowerShell or Windows Terminal by using Oh My Posh, which is a theme engine. So currently I am in the official page of Oh My Posh, as you can see in here. So let's get started. First we will go through the installation, then setting it up. So we are doing it for Windows. So if I go in the Windows section, you can find 3 or 4 options. The chocolate one is the new, I guess. So the Wingate one is the default one. I'm sure you would like to go with the Wingate option only because it's the most convenient way you can get. You can also try Scoop or manual installation if that works for you, but Wingate is the most convenient method to use it. So I will just copy this command. I will launch my terminal. As you can see in my terminal, I don't have any predefined theme or anything. It just plain text. So just paste the command and enter. This will install the Oh My Posh theme engine. So let's get it installed. Wait for it. Okay, it is installed. After you install the Oh My Posh, you just close the terminal and reopen it so that it gets detected. To check whether the Oh My Posh is installed or not, I will just type hyphen my, then posh, and hyphen version. If Oh My Posh is correctly installed, it will show you the latest version which you have installed. So Oh My Posh is there 23.20.2. After you have installed Oh My Posh, you have to go to the bottom of the page and install a font. Basically, to use Oh My Posh themes, you need some specific fonts which are supported by Oh My Posh. So we have a simple command here, Oh My Posh font install. So again, copy that command, paste it in terminal. Now you have options to install lots of fonts. You can scroll and see there are lots of fonts. But my custom or you can say my personal preference is Cascadia Mono. You can take any font you like. The very popular one is also there is, I think, Meslo is also very popular one, but I prefer Cascadia Mono, so I will install Cascadia Mono. Wait for it to install. Okay, so it has installed Cascadia Mono. To use this font, just this is the drop down button. Just click, go to the settings option, go in defaults, then in appearance, and there you have font option. I already have installed Cascadia Mono and set it as default, so in your case it might not show at first. And also click this show all fonts. Sometimes the custom install font doesn't show automatically, so if you click here, you can see there are lots of fonts available. So you will find your fonts installed in here. Just select the font which you like. You can see also the Meslo fonts are present because I earlier installed the Meslo. So if you like Meslo, you can definitely use Meslo or any other font you like. So after you select the font you want, specifically the font you installed from Oh My Posh, save it and you are good to go. I will close this. I will again close this and open the terminal again. Now going to the next procedure, we will set up Oh My Posh now. So to set up, there is one option. Go to again in the Windows section, go at the bottom, and here you get a link, use Oh My Posh. Go here, and here you have to see the PowerShell option. Currently I am using the terminal in PowerShell. If you want the command prompt, there is an option for command prompt, but I personally recommend you to use PowerShell because PowerShell allows you to do a lot of customizations. So let's go with that. This is the command which invokes the Oh My Posh shell. So if I copy this and paste it in the terminal and enter, you see Oh My Posh gives a base theme by default. So this is the base theme. You get your username, then the file directory, then the shell you are using, this is PowerShell, and the time address. So but this is temporary. If I just say open a new tab, you see it doesn't occur here. This is a one-time command. If you want this to execute every time when you are opening PowerShell, then we have to set this command in Windows profile to check your profile location. The profile is the Windows PowerShell profile where the configurations of your PowerShell is stored. So to check that, where is the location, type $, then profile, all in caps. This will give you the location of the PowerShell profile. You just copy the PowerShell profile and type notepad and then paste. This will open the PowerShell profile file. Now in most of the cases your file will be empty. This is just my custom alias command, so ignore that. In your case it mostly probably be empty, or any other command might be defined there, just ignore that. So the command we copied, this is the command to use Oh My Posh. I will just paste it in the Oh My Posh profile file here and save it. After saving it, I will close the terminal, close it again, then relaunch the terminal, and here you see it has automatically started the Oh My Posh shell and the base theme is here. If I start a new tab, it still opens with the base theme. But what in the case if I don't want this theme, I want a different theme? In the home page of Oh My Posh, you can see there is a themes section. After you click that, you can see there are lots of themes. There is a list in the right corner. You see there are lots of themes you have to choose. You can see elect theme. There is a sample given here how it will looks. If you want this in your terminal as a suggestion, what are the themes are present, so you can go first copy this command in the theme section, this small command, then in your terminal just paste and enter. I will do a full screen. You can see there are lots of themes getting printed in here. See, so the advantage of doing it in terminal is it shows you your customized form based on your user profile. So my user here name is here. It is showing the theme based on my user. So your current configurations are set and then the theme is shown. So you can choose any theme you like this is the Cyberdone, it looks good. I personally like the Amro one. I think it's starting. Yeah, this is, it looks clean and minimal. You can also try Atomic or Atomic Wind, these are good ones. The first one is also looking very good, the one shell. You can try any one of it. But after you type this command, that is the get posh themes, if you go at the end, at the very end, you can see Oh My Posh is showing some information, that is the themes location. So this is where the Oh My Posh themes are installed, and it has also given you the method that to change the theme you have to edit the file. This is the profile which I did earlier, that is the dollar profile. I edited with the notepad. So here the configurations need to be stored, and in order to add a custom profile, which is any theme you liked from the above options, this is the command you can use. So here if you see the previous command from the website, let's go in the Windows, then wait a minute, use Oh My Posh. Here you can see this is the small command we used for the base theme, but with this only you can't use custom themes. To allow custom ones, just see the command. Till here it is common. Let me short it out. Okay, you can see Oh My Posh init pwsh, that is PowerShell. So Oh My Posh, here it is common. Then use hyphen config, and here is the location of the theme you want to use. So up to themes are the themes location of Oh My Posh. Then which theme specifically you want to use, you have to mention the name. So here the name is very confusing name, it is Jande Doblier. Sorry if I am mistaking the pronunciation, but that is the name. So in here you can use Amro, Atomic, or like here it is ZASH, anyone. So I will just copy this command till invoke expression, and then I will remove this old one and paste this one. I will save this file. I will exit from my terminal again and open it again. You see it has a different theme now. So it is the theme that is currently using this giant very confusing, ignore it. I will use a simple one which I like. Let me show. I like the Amro one, it is minimal. I save the file again, I close the terminal, reopen it. Yeah, This is the one generally I use. You can try anyone. Let's just try Atomic. So Atomic, I save, I close the terminal, I reopen it again, and here the Atomic thing is applied. So in this way you can customize your terminal shell any way you like. To do the recap, first go to the installation section from this page, that is the ohmyposh.dev docs. In the installation we are going for Windows. Then you have some options to install the Oh My Posh. The most common and convenient one is the winget one. You copy this command, install it, you close the terminal, reopen it. After that you install the font. Now remember, the fonts are necessary, because if you don't use the font which is supported by Oh My Posh, there might be some missing icons you don't see in here, like the icons in here. This is home icon, the arrow icon. This icon might not be visible clearly. So do install any font you like. You can check the font. These are generally Nerd fonts, so you can go to the official page of the Nerd font to see how they look like. If I go in the downloads, see all the fonts that are in the listing are shown with an example here. So I am currently using the Cascadia Cove Nerd. There is the Cascadia Mono one. I am using this font actually. So you can install from here also, download, but the most convenient way is Oh My Posh has already provided that Oh My Posh font installed. Just use that. So go to the window. After you install the font, you have to go to the use Oh My Posh. Here you have to find your profile. So if you just type this $profile, it will show you the location where the Windows configuration and service, that is, I am showing it again just for simplicity. Profile, here is the location. You open it with notepad, this location, it opens you this file, that is the Windows PowerShell profile, and you add this command. The command is mentioned in the theme sections, I guess. No, okay. After you type this command, you get the themes option. Let me do it again. So if I do this, wait for the command to end. See, here is an example command given. Just use this command, and here is the name, the last after the slash, forward backward slash. Just change this name to any theme you like from these options. These are available on the website as well. You can check in here. If you are comfortable, just take the name or see it in your terminal. Just copy the command in your file and you're good to go, and you will give a beautiful theme like this. Also, I have created a Medium article. It includes all the necessary steps with the commands which I showed you in this video tutorial, with also some sample images for ease of access. So you can follow this guide, follow all the necessary steps, and give your terminal a beautiful look. So thank you for watching, guys. If you want any video on any customization about Windows, any software or any feature, just type it in the comment box, and also do like, share, and give me some insights so I can give you more videos in future. Thanks for watching.